Hi everyone! Today's video is for Father's Day, and we will be making another variation of short style gift wrapping. I have introduced some variations of short style before. Check the description for the links to other videos if you like. Today's style is perfect for Father's Day if you are giving him a tie, gloves, socks, or any other items with narrower width box. You will love this tutorial if you had a harder time to create a tie design for the short style wrapping before. I'm using the paper ribbon from 𝗝cityribbon.com again and made the tie design much simpler than before. If you are ready, let's get started. First, cut your paper to match the size of your box. The shallow boxes are recommended for this design. For your main paper, enough to wrap around the box, plus to fold back one end and the tape margin for the width. For the height, enough to close the bottom, the height of your box, and enough to create the collar and the shoulder at the top. Cut another sheet for creating a pocket design. The height should be the height of the pocket you like. Mine is about half the height of the box. Make sure the width of the paper is the same or wider than the main paper. We will create the pocket first. Fold up one of the height ends a little. This is so that you will have a nice clean seam. Position the pocket paper on the top of the main paper. I'm positioning the paper a little slanted to make a diagonal pocket design. This is why I cut my paper a little wider than the width of the main paper. If you are making your pocket in a straight position, cut your pocket paper to the same width as the main paper. Make sure the bottom of the main paper is covered. Secure the positions of the papers and turn them over. Fold the extra paper along the edge of the main paper and secure the end with clear tape. Cut the extra paper along the bottom edge of the main paper. Fold up the end a little to have a clean seam. Then again, tape the end to secure. Turn the papers and cut the extra along the height end at the other side. Bring the folded end to the edge of the box. If it's easier for you, tape the other end to the box using clear tape to secure the position of the box. Place double-sided tape along the edge and close the end, making sure the paper is wrapped around the box tightly. Continue to close the bottom side of the box. Let's work on the top. We will create the collar and the shoulders. Double check the size of your ribbon. The size of your collar should be the same or a little wider than the width of your ribbon, which means you also need to make sure the size of your ribbon matches the size of your box. Using a really wide ribbon for tiny box doesn't work well for this design. Turn the box over to have the front side down. Fold up the top twice at the size of the collar. Cut slit along the folded edge of the collar in about 1/3 from both sides. Turn the box over to have the front side up. Open up the top folds. Then fold the bottom corners at triangles to the first crease. Insert the ribbon into the collar. adjust the length of the ribbon. Create a ring at one end to put through the ribbon using double-sided tip. Cut the end of the ribbon enough to create a decorative design. Fold both sides of the color to the center and tape the ends down with double-sided tape. Put ribbon through the ring. Create the shoulder by pushing down the paper. Make sure to create a folded line slanted so it looks like a shoulder. Repeat the same steps for the other side. If the openings of the shoulder are visible, close them with double-sided tape. Since we made a front pocket, let's make a card or a tag to insert. You can also be creative to put anything else you like. We're gonna make a super easy handmade card in 1 minute. I cut 2 papers to the size of the card for my pocket. My decorative outer paper is slightly larger than the solid color inner paper. Fold them in half to make a folded card. Place tiny pieces of double-sided tape at the 4 corners on the back of the inner paper. Then attach it to the outer paper. Write your message inside, then insert the card into the pocket. Twist the ribbon to the best presentation and tape it to secure with washi tape, decorative tape, or any adhesive you like. Cut the end of the ribbon enough to make a curling design. And done! Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope your Father's Day will be extra special and memorable with the personalized gift wrapping. By changing the colors, you can enjoy this design for any other special occasions as well. Don't forget to subscribe for the future videos if you haven't done so. Let me know what you think about this video. I always enjoy hearing from you. Thank you so much for watching, liking, and commenting my videos. I will see you in the next video. Happy Father's Day!